everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this unit from ILIKEHAIR Wigs. And today I will be featuring this Kinky Edge unit. So if you're interested in this hair, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this Kinky Edge Bob unit from ILIKEHAIR Wigs, and they've reached out to me to review this unit for you all. So with this unit, it is a very easy and throw on and go unit. There's barely any cutting to do, and you don't necessarily need to add any glue to it. As far as this unit goes, it does have a kinky edge, meaning that it has more of a natural edge, as you all can tell here. It is more natural looking, and it's more to mimic our hair texture without having to feel like we have to lay down our own edges. We can literally blend this within our own edges and it will work perfectly fine. And that's what I love about these units. The more natural it is, the more I love it, because it looks really natural. It doesn't look like, like a usual wig. It looks like my own hair, but better. But before I get into my thoughts, let's get into the specs of this unit. So this is where the lace ends, and it's pre-cut, which is amazing. And also, it's not cut in a straight line, it is jagged edge. So once you put it on, it looks very seamless, as you all can tell here with my hairline. And also it comes with 3 combs, 2 at the front, 1 at the back with adjustable straps. And there's also an adjustable band. It's also removable, which is great, because with most of these units, you tend to be stuck with an adjustable band that you really don't use. If you don't really want that, you could remove it, and it's very high quality as well, as you all can tell here. This would not break, so this will be very, very good, and you can remove it whenever you like, and it is adjustable like a bra strap, so it's very, very convenient. In terms of the lace, I had to tint it because it was a little light, but when I tried it on at first, it did blend in seamlessly, so it does look pretty good. I really like this unit. I did a little right part with it, and there's so many things you can do with this unit. It's so natural. I do love how this turned out. I use my hot comb to press it out a little bit more so that it can look a little less puffy. But if you want to do more styles with it, feel free to do that. And as far as the lace goes, you don't need to bleach it. It's already pretty much bleached for me. I just tinted the lace with my Ebin lace tint spray, and it did its job for the most part. So yeah, if you are looking for a more alternative unit that looks more like your natural hair without having it, you don't want it too silky, you just want it to look as natural as possible, this is the wig for you to get. I really like it. It's nice, it's beautiful, and it's also 12-inch length. It does come in a shorter length as well, if I'm not mistaken. I would leave the link down in the description box so you all could check that out, because the lengths range from 10 inches to 14 inches. So you can definitely go ahead and check that out on ILIKEHAIR Wigs. It is a beautiful wig, very natural, very conservative looking. I do love that about this unit, and it's not a lot of hassle. So if you're new to wigs and you're scared to try some human hair wigs, this will be the right one for you to start off with, and you could seamlessly blend this with your hair, and it looks like you went and pressed your own hair out without having to put any actual heat onto your natural hair. So this is a very good alternative, and it's great for beginners as well. So thank you so much, ILIKEHAIR Wigs, for reaching out to me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below. And I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.